Hello folks, and it's the end of jobbing Saturday, and just created a ramp for a lady so she can get a mobility scooter into her shed. So yeah, let's go and have a quick look at this job. Just packing up now, heading for the sofa, but I particularly enjoyed this job, and so there's the ramp. So tunnelized timber, got a bit of grip on with the gaps, and there's the mobility scooter happily parked, and it's been tried and tested by the customer. Told her not to go too fast, didn't want to come out the other side of the shed, so fortunately she stood on the brakes and it's all good. So I'm heading for the sofa. Okay, see you on Monday.